Plants are incredible living things. They come in all shapes and sizes, from the tiniest moss to the tallest trees. They stand tall in the ground, reaching for the sky, and they play a crucial role in our ecosystem. But did you know that plants make their own food? This amazing process is what keeps them alive and thriving. This process is called photosynthesis. It's a fascinating and complex mechanism. It's like a special recipe that plants use to turn sunlight into energy. They take in sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide to create food. Photosynthesis happens inside the leaves of plants. These leaves contain tiny structures called chloroplasts. Leaves are like tiny food factories, working hard all day long. They convert light energy into chemical energy. Just like humans need food to live, plants need to make their own food to survive and grow. This food provides them with the energy they need. Without photosynthesis, there wouldn't be any plants, and without plants, life on Earth as we know it wouldn't exist. They are truly nature's green miracle. Just like any good recipe, photosynthesis needs the right ingredients. Imagine a chef carefully selecting the freshest produce and finest spices to create a delicious dish. Similarly, plants need specific elements to thrive and grow. The first ingredient is sunlight. This radiant energy from the sun is essential for plants. Plants love sunshine. They soak it up through their leaves, which act like solar panels, capturing the sun's energy to fuel their growth. The second ingredient is water. Water is vital for all living things, and plants are no exception. Plants absorb water through their roots like little straws from the soil. This water travels up through the plant, nourishing every part. The final ingredient is carbon dioxide. This invisible gas is a crucial component of the air we breathe. It's a gas that's in the air all around us. Plants need carbon dioxide to produce the energy they need to grow. Plants take in carbon dioxide through tiny holes on their leaves called stomata. These microscopic openings allow the gas to enter the plant. These three ingredients, sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide, are the key to photosynthesis. Together, they enable plants to create their own food, sustain their growth, and produce the oxygen we all rely on. Inside every leaf, there's a secret ingredient called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a green pigment that gives plants their color, but chlorophyll is much more than just a color. It's like a special tool that helps plants use sunlight. Chlorophyll captures the energy from sunlight. Think of it like a solar panel, but for plants. This captured energy is what powers the process of photosynthesis. Section 4, Stage 1, Capturing Sunlight. The first stage of photosynthesis is all about capturing sunlight. When sunlight shines on a leaf, the chlorophyll inside starts to work its magic. It traps the sunlight's energy. This captured energy is very powerful. It's used to split water molecules apart, just like breaking a stick in half. Splitting water is a crucial step in photosynthesis. Section 5, Stage 2, Transforming Water and Carbon Dioxide. In the second stage of photosynthesis, the plant uses the energy from sunlight to transform water and carbon dioxide. Remember those water molecules that were split apart? Now, they are combined with carbon dioxide from the air. This combination creates a special kind of sugar called glucose. Glucose is like a sweet treat full of energy, but for plants use glucose as their food source. Section 6, The Gift of Photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a remarkable process that takes place in the green parts of plants, primarily in the leaves. It's how plants make their own food using just sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide. This process not only sustains the plant itself, but also supports the entire ecosystem. But photosynthesis is important for more than just plants. It forms the foundation of life on Earth. It's essential for all life on Earth, providing the oxygen we breathe and the food we eat. When plants make glucose during photosynthesis, they also release oxygen into the air, which is crucial for the survival of most living organisms. Oxygen is what we breathe, and it is vital for our respiratory systems to function properly. It's not just humans. Animals also rely on this oxygen to survive. Without photosynthesis, life as we know it would not exist. Photosynthesis is a beautiful example of how plants and animals depend on each other, creating a balanced and thriving ecosystem. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed learning about plants and want to see more fun science videos, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep exploring. Bye for now.